Right lads, I'm now going to be upgrading this PowerMac G5 and I'm going to update the memory in it from 1.5 gigs to 6 gigs in the memory. So here it goes lads, I'll just roll my sleeves up. That's the thing we want, static. Just ground myself. Maybe that's the case and we'll see what's in this beast. No, there's not very good lighting in there lads, but that's what's in there. 2 sticks and 2 sticks, so we'll grab them out. There's more than 2 sticks in, there's 6 good sticks, so obviously something's amiss, so let's take these out. Right, let's look at the first one. 1 gig. As it says, 1 gig on the stick. I don't know if you can see that lads, but it says 1 gig on the stick, so that's one side that's not being registered for some reason. Take the next one out. And that is saying 256 meg. Nanya. 256 meg, and it says Nanya on the card, so I don't think that's very reliable memory, but we'll put that to one side for now. Let's have a look at the rest. Right. These should go in pairs. That looks like the same stick as that one. Saying, this one's saying 1 gig as well, so there's something going on here lads. Clean. This one. Just impressed with this lads. This one actually says 4 gigs on it. That'll focus or not, but oh, just it says 4 gigs on that one. Next one to come out. Top one. I think there actually might be more memory in here than the guy said there is. Another 4 gig stick, believe it or not, 4 gig stick. It's saying 5533. So I'm going to try these again, see if it boots. So we'll put some memory in here. 4 gig ones we'll put to the front. 4 gig ones we'll put to the front. Tell the 4 gig ones because they've got chips on both sides. This is getting very exciting lads. I might actually have more memory in this system than was first said. You know. Well, you can only try it, see what happens. Just a bit of it, right. 4 gig ones I don't think it'll recognise, but I'll try them anyway. Memory, 2 4s, I don't think it'll recognise 4 gig chips though. 1 gig sticks back in. We'll put them in the 3rd channel because I'm going to put my Crucial 2 gigs in next. Maybe not to use all of them, but it's quite good. Gigs. Next one. Use 1 gig too. So, the 2 512s. This guy's bought 4 gig fucking sticks. Yeah. Next upgrade I'll do is the hard drive. And then after that, I'll do the graphics card. So put the door back on. It's actually got a 4 gig, 2 4 gig sticks in there, which is pretty amazing, really. Right, guys, I'm now going to boot up the PowerMac G5 and see how she goes. 3, 2, 1. Boot it up into Leopard. Leopard screen, password. Got my password in. Yeah, it's booted up. Let's go to About This Mac. let's have a look at the memory. 11 gigs of memory. Woohoo! 11 gigs of memory, lads. I'm well chuffed. There you go, lads. 11 gigs of memory. Woohoo! He had the memory installed in the wrong slot, so he didn't recognise it. But now, I've got 11 gigs of DDR2 and 4 cores. Running at 2.5. Let's have a look. Let's go to about this Mac again. More info. Yeah. There you go, lads. 11 gigs. Bus speed 1.25. Go to the memory. There you go, lads. 2 gig, 2 gig, 2 gig, 2 gig, and 1 gig, 1 gig, and 2 512s. So we've got 11 gigs in there, lads. This has been a fantastic success. I'm so pleased. The guy said there were only 1.5 gigs in there, but there weren't. We were all installed in the wrong slots. Instead of going from the inner to the outer with each one, so your bigger ones start in the centre, and then you work out to the smaller ones. That's how it works in these G5s. So he didn't have it configured right, so he never got the full benefits of these DIMMs, which I have. So I've got 11 gigs now, lads, and I'm well chuffed. It's getting better and better. This better and better. So next off will be the installation of the hard drive, and then after that will be the graphics card. So there you go, lads. It's been a success. I'm well chuffed. There you go, lads. Another successful upgrade there. We now got 11 gigs of memory, which you weren't expecting. I'm expecting 7.5 gigs because the guy advertised the G5 is running on 1.5 gigabytes of memory, but he'd installed the DIMMs in the wrong slots, so that was good for me because he didn't realise that there was so much memory in there. So there you go, lads. I'm very happy with that. Now shut the system down and install the other hard drive. Shut down. You know, it's very quick at shutting down this machine. It's off. How quick is that? It's Dana Man saying bye for now. Bye.